Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Gmail account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited Gmail account without using a phone number. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root with advice, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now that wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Chrome. Now once you open your Chrome over here, all you need to do is to search for temp mail. Now once you search for temp mail, you can see the first one over here. Click on this temp mail. Now once you click on temp mail, you can see your temporary email address. Click on copy over here. So just click on copy. Just wait as it is loading for the email, so make sure it is loaded and you can see it over here. Click on copy. Now once you have copied this email address, go back and open Play Store. Now once you open Play Store, all you need to do is to search for your secure VPN. Now once you click on secure VPN, there are many, but I recommend this one. Now make sure you update this VPN if you already haven't it. Now update your secure VPN. Make sure you update it and then open your secure VPN over here and connect to your secure VPN. You can see checking network settings. So connect, click on connect, and you can see connected over here. So you can see connected. Now once you are done with this, once you have connected to this VPN, open your Gmail app. But before you open your Gmail, make sure you update your Gmail application to the latest version. So update your Gmail, and once you are done with that, open Gmail and click on your profile at the top right corner. Once you click on your profile, click on add another account. So just click on add another account over here, and once you click on add another account, it will take you to this place. Now click on Google. Now once you click on Google, just wait as it is loading. You can see check-in info. Now once you get to this place, you can see create account. Click on create account. Now click on for my personal use, and once you click on for my personal use, just wait as it is loading over here. Now enter the name you want to use. So you can choose any name, and then now once you are done, click on next. Now it will take you to where you have to enter your date of birth, so you can select any one, and then for the year you enter the year. Now you go to gender and you can select male or female or any of them. Now click on next over here. Now once you click on next, you can see they have recommended some of the Gmail address for you. Now click on create your own Gmail address. Click on that and paste the one that we copied from temp mail. Now you can see at gmail.com is already here, so delete this one as it will be repeated twice. So delete everything including the at. Now once you are done with this, click on next, and once you click on next over here, enter a strong password. Now click on next. Once you have created your password, entered your password, click on next, and you can see review your account info. So click on next, and you can see over here privacy and terms. Now the account is created. So with this you can create unlimited Gmail account without using your personal contact. So you can see I have created this account easily without using any contact. So click on I agree, and by clicking on I agree, that's all, your account has been created successfully. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.